This dance is called Country Two-Step. It's a 40 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on our right foot, step the right forward, hold, step the left forward, hold. Step forward on that right, pivot yourself half a turn left on your toes, weight returns onto your left foot. You're going to make a further half a turn left as you step back on your right and hold. Now that is the equivalent of a full turn there. Do try and do these turns where you can, but if you are struggling to fit in that full turn, or it's making you dizzy, or you're uncomfortable in any way with doing it, there is an alternative for you. So what you can do is you can walk forward on the right, recover your weight back on the left, step back on the right and hold, so you take that turn out completely. But do try and put it in if you can. So that section once more then, off on the right. 7, 8, step, hold, step, pivot, turn, hold. Step back on the left, hold, step back on the right, hold. Into a slow coaster step, back, close, step, hold. It might not feel that slow in the music, and the holds will just be very short pauses. So that section once more then, going back on the left, 7, 8, back, hold, coaster, step, hold. Let's add that to the top. Step, hold off on the right. 7, 8, step, hold, step, pivot, turn, hold, back, hold, coaster, step, hold. Into some mambo crosses. So you're going to rock to the side on the right, recover the weight on the left, cross the right over the left. That's your mambo cross, hold. Repeat with the left foot, rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross the left over the right, hold. So 2 mambo crosses. So that section once more, half on the right. 7, 8, mambo, cross, hold, mambo, cross, hold. Let's add that to the top. Step, hold off on the right. 7, 8, step, hold, step, pivot, turn, hold, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, mambo, cross, hold, mambo, cross, hold. We're going to rock forward now, but into the diagonal. So with the right foot, rock forward into that diagonal. It's going to be slightly modified because they're going to be slower. So you rock, you hold, you recover the weight, you hold. Add on a little weave, behind, side, cross. So just do that section once more, half on that right foot. So you rock forward to that diagonal, hold, recover your weight back on the left, hold, into that weave, cross the right behind the left, left to the side, cross the right over, and hold. So once more, half on the right, 7, 8, rock, hold, recover, hold, behind, side, cross. Add that to the top. Step, hold off on the right. 7, 8, step, hold, step, pivot, turn, hold, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, mambo, cross, hold, mambo, cross, hold, rock, hold, behind, side, cross, hold. Now we're going to do a similar set of steps, left foot leading, going to this left diagonal, to 10, 30. So you'll rock forward on that left, hold, recover your weight back on the right, hold. This time we're going to put a quarter turn on it, so we're going to cross the left behind the right, make a quarter turn to the right as we step our right forward, turning our whole body, don't twist it, even if you end up lifting that foot off the floor, step forward on the left. So that section once more then. Diagonal rock off on the left. 7, 8. Rock, hold behind, turn, step, hold. So that is the end of the dance when you get to that point. So let's put it all together. Step, hold off on the right. 7, 8. Step, hold, step, pivot, turn, hold, back, hold, coaster, step, hold, mambo, cross, hold, mambo, cross, hold, rock, hold behind, side, cross, hold, rock, hold behind, turn, step, hold. Now obviously I'm not going to keep saying the word hold. I will put a bit of a pause in the chant so you know roughly where it is. Give you a chance to have a breath. But it is a 4-wall dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Now watch the wildlife. I don't want to tread on a bee. Okay. Step, hold off on the right. 7, 8. Step, hold, step, pivot, turn. Back, coaster, step. Mambo, cross, rock, behind, side, cross. Rock, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, back, coaster, step, mambo, cross, rock, behind, side, cross, rock, behind, turn, step, pivot, turn, back, coaster, step, mambo, cross, rock, behind, side, cross, rock, behind, turn, step. Hopefully you've got that, you followed that. So that's your dance, it's your walk through. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Hopefully managed that one.